more days to come. So there's going to be a lot of folks going to the farmers markets here in the next few months and sweating a lot because that's how it is here in the Midwest. With the humidity, though, comes severe weather, or at least severe storms from time to time. And we had some threat for severe weather today. It stayed pretty much south of Omaha in areas like far southeast Nebraska, kind of near Beatrice, Falls City area, and then into northwest Missouri. Now, moving forward, we have a pretty low severe threat through the next couple days, but there is a severe threat through about Tuesday. There's no guarantee of severe weather, though. It looks like we're lacking a triggering mechanism. You need some kind of surface boundary to move through, a cold front, a warm front, a dry line, an outflow boundary, anything like that to get storms to lift and rise, and that starts the process. It looks like that's going to be fairly limited, although ingredients will be there for a storm to become strong if it does form. And then we're going to stay warmer. We're going to stay windy, at least for today and tomorrow when it comes to the wind. A sky cam look outside. That's Douglas Tower. It's 63 degrees. The southeast breeze still blowing at 13 miles per hour. It's 67 in Plattsmouth. Mid and lower 60s for central western Iowa. 67 Beatrice and 68 degrees in Columbus. Here's live dual poll. It was a little more active a few hours ago as we had storms move through Jefferson, Gage County, far southeast Nebraska, and now this is kind of the last of it, moving past Maryville and into our far eastern counties into far southwest Iowa. And they're just showers now. And if you look even further downstream, you can see kind of maybe a shower rumbles of thunder near Kansas City trying to lift northward. And our computer model insists that maybe a shower or thunderstorm will roll through south of Omaha during the overnight hours. I'm just not seeing a lot in central Kansas that will hold on through the overnight hours. So I think that's probably, we'll say, a 30% chance. Now, as we get into the day on Sunday, there's going to be storms likely towards Kansas City or the extreme southeast side of our viewing area, but I think that's it. And we'll eventually see more sunshine later in the day. And we look for a triggering mechanism, maybe closer to this area of low pressure Monday morning for a thunderstorm. That really could be anywhere. It showed it moving north of Omaha, but it's certainly possible it could move through Omaha too. It's just tough to tell where that triggering mechanism is going to take place. And here's Monday at 3 o'clock where there's a stationary boundary likely to our north, and that could be the focal point near an area of low pressure up way northeast of us towards the Twin Cities for showers and thunderstorms. So it could be us getting shut out from any rain these next couple days. We'll just have to see where storms form. There's a marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center for tomorrow and another marginal risk, but more favorable ingredients north and east of Omaha for Monday nights. Here's the 7-day forecast here. Sunday and Monday we get warmer. Again, a little chance of a storm on Sunday. It's tough to tell where that could be. It could be well north of the viewing area like that computer model depicted. On Monday, it's more of a nighttime threat, but it looks like that threat is more north of Omaha as well. Tuesday, we'll watch for another day of maybe a scattered shower or thunderstorm. Wednesday and Thursday, we stay warm outside. Thursday, we'll actually watch another cold front come through. That's actually Friday. And we'll have to see if that sparks any showers or storms as well. So kind of an active pattern here, Maddie, but it's a lot warmer. And like we were mentioning, it's going to be more humid too. I was
going to say upper 80s. Been a while since we're going to feel that consistently.
I know the last time we had it, though, was a dry upper 80s.
Yes.
Now it might be a little humid.
It might be a little bit worse this time.